Hello and welcome back to English for Beginners. I'm Anna.
And hello from me, Mark. It's great to be back.
It's great to have you, Mark. In our last episode, we went to a cafe and learned how to order food and drinks.
Yes, I'll have a coffee and a slice of cake, please. I practiced in my head. I feel very confident now.
That's wonderful to hear. Confidence is so important. Today, we're going to talk about a fun topic we started a long time ago in episode 2. We're going to talk more about our hobbies and what we do in our free time.
Hobbies. I remember I like reading. I want to learn more words for hobbies. This is a good topic.
It is a great topic. So we already know the phrase, I like, which is perfect. We say, I like, and then a verb with ing at the end. For example, I like reading.
I like reading. Yes.
Let's learn some more hobbies. For sports, you can say, I like playing football,
I like playing football.
or maybe I like playing computer games.
Ah, yes. My brother likes playing computer games.
Another hobby is swimming.
I like swimming. We learned, can you swim? Now I can say, I like swimming.
Exactly. You're connecting the episodes. What about moving to music? That's dancing.
I like dancing.
Me too. And we've talked about cooking. I like cooking.
Yes, you said you like cooking in episode 2. I remember.
You have a great memory, Mark. One more. Many people like shopping.
Shopping. I think shopping is okay. Not my favorite.
That's okay. You don't have to like all of them. So we have playing football, playing computer games, swimming, dancing, cooking, and shopping, all great hobbies. Now, like you said, you think shopping is just okay. We can use different words to say how much we like something. If you like something very, very much, you can say, I love.
I love. So this is more than like.
Yes, it's stronger. For example, I really like coffee, so I can say, I love coffee. For a hobby, I love dancing.
I love playing football. Yes, that is true for me.
Another word that means like is enjoy. It's a very nice, positive word. I enjoy reading.
I enjoy reading. It sounds very relaxed.
It does. Now, what if you do not like something? You can say, I don't like.
I don't like. This is for the things you say no to.
Exactly. So for you and shopping,
I don't like shopping very much.
perfect. So we have a scale. I love, very strong. I like, or I enjoy, strong. And I don't like, the opposite. Let's practice. What about cooking, Mark?
I enjoy cooking. It's nice.
And dancing?
I like dancing.
And computer games?
I don't like playing computer games.
Excellent. You can express your feelings very clearly now. Now, a conversation needs two people. So when you share your hobby, it's very polite and friendly to ask the other person about their hobby. A very easy way to do this is to ask, what about you?
What about you?
Yes. So, for example, I can say, I love reading. What about you?
And I answer, I enjoy reading too. Or, I don't like reading.
Exactly. It turns the conversation back to the other person. It shows you are interested in them. Let's try. Mark, tell me a hobby you like and then ask me.
Okay. I love playing football. What about you, Anna?
Great question. I don't like playing football, but I enjoy watching it.
Ah, very interesting.
Let's try again.
I don't like shopping. What about you?
shopping. See, we're very different, but we are having a good conversation. Now we can say what we like, and we can ask about other people. Let's add more detail with frequency. Frequency means how many times you do something.
How many times? Okay.
A simple way to talk about this is with 3 words: often, sometimes, and never.
Often means you do it a lot.
Often, many times.
Sometimes means, well, some of the time, but not all of the time. Maybe 50%.
Sometimes, not always, not never. In the middle.
Perfect way to describe it.
And never means 0. You do not do it.
Never. 0%. I understand.
We usually put these words before the verb. For example, I often play football on Saturdays. Or I sometimes go swimming in the summer.
I sometimes go swimming. Yes.
And for never?
I never go shopping.
Perfect use of the word. So we can ask the question, how often do you? For example, how often do you go swimming?
And I answer, I sometimes go swimming. This adds much more information.
It does. So let's put everything together in a nice long conversation. I'll start. You know, Mark, in my free time, I really love reading. I often read for an hour before I go to sleep. What about you?
I enjoy reading too, but I don't read very often. I sometimes read on Sunday. I love listening to music. I listen to music every day.
That's great. I also enjoy listening to music, especially when I'm cooking.
Ah, yes, I like cooking. I sometimes cook dinner for my family. What about you? How often do you cook?
I often cook. I find it very relaxing. So, what about sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I love playing football. I play with my friends every weekend. What about you?
I never play football, but I sometimes go for a long walk. I enjoy walking in the park.
Walking is nice. I sometimes do that too.
See? That was a wonderful, detailed conversation about our free time. Well, our time is almost up for today. Let's do a very quick review. We learned how to express our preferences with
I love, I enjoy, I like, and I don't like.
and the very important question to keep the conversation going is
What about you?
perfect. And to say how frequently we do things, we can use
Often, sometimes, and never.
You've learned so much today, Mark. And to our listeners, your homework is to think about your hobbies. Do you love them? Do you enjoy them? How often do you do them? Try to make some sentences.
Yes, good homework. Thank you for this lesson, Anna. It was very fun.
It was my pleasure, Mark. Thank you for your great work.
See you next time.
See you then. And a big thank you to all our listeners for joining us on English for Beginners. Join us for episode 8, where we will learn how to make future plans and suggestions. Until then, enjoy your hobbies. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Goodbye, everyone.